So with the fuel tank relocation kit, we knew that the fuel filler neck was going to be something to talk about. So instead of cutting a hole in the floor of the bed, because we use this truck to haul product to shows, we opted out for the fuel filler neck in the tail light. We reached out to LS Fabrication. Heard they were some of the best in the business to put the filler neck in the tail light. Pretty nice to get a couple instructions here with some templates. Basically all you got to do is get your phone out, scan the QR code, and then takes you right to YouTube, gives you a video on how to do it. So let's see how it works. Real nice.
This tab here so that it matches the profile at top and bottom.
Whoops. Just kidding. I need a light.
I can't believe it.
Jeez. It's fine. Everything's fine. So I can get around the corner, Steve. All right, we got everything fitting nice with the tail light. We're gonna take everything back apart, get it all nice cleaned up, spray paint a little bit, and we'll show you the finished product here shortly. Yep. All right, got that. All right. Close it real nice. All right, there you have it. Let's put some gas in this hog. Blub, 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 blub. Send it.